Hi everyone, I am Regine Joy Manzano. My topic that I will discuss in this video is about peopling of the Philippines. Any idea where humans come from or where did we come from? We will know this later. In this case, walang nakakasiguro kung saan nanggaling ang mga tao dito sa mundo. But there were several theories that rose to answer the question. Popular theories on peopling the world. First is creationism or biblical. Creationists believe that the story told in Genesis that God exists. The creation of all things is literally correct and that earth is only a few thousand years old as extrapolated from the biblical genealogies that begin with Adam's the first. Adam. Second is out of Eden theory, out of Africa theory. Journey of man or out of Eden theory. In 160,000 years ago, modern man Homo sapiens lived in Africa. 160 to 135,000 they populated in Africa. 135,000 and 115,000 the first exit through Nile. But they died out because of the Ice Age, which reached up to North Africa from 115,000 to 90,000. 90K and 85K crossing of the Red Sea. 85K to 75K voyage to the east. Super eruption of Mountain Tuba in Sumatra and another ice age in 74K resulted to a population crash. 74K to 65K onward was the time of repopulation, with the dramatic warning of 65K onwards. Europe's and other parts of Asia was populated. 40K to 15K onwards, the American and almost all parts of the world was also populated. Between those time, Ice Age and many natural calamities also happened that decreased the population. But when was Philippines people? Austronesian migration theory. The Austronesian migration theory proposed that around 6,000 years ago, a group of people called the Austronesian expanded from mainland Asia into the Pacific Ocean through Taiwan. This theory was proposed by Professor Peter Bellwood, an archaeologist. The theory suggests that these Austronesian people migrated from Taiwan to various parts of the Pacific including the Philippines, Indonesia, Malaysia, Polynesia, and Melanesia and eventually settled in these regions. We have here a summary of the Austronesian migration. 3,500 BC, Austronesian people migrate from the Chinese mainland to Taiwan. 3000 BC, they reach the Philippines. 1600 BC, they reach northern New Guinea. 1200 BC, they reach Samoa. 500 AD, they reach Hawaii, Eastern Island, and Madagascar. This theory explains the similarities in culture, language, and physical characteristics in different countries, especially in Asian countries and Madagascar. According to their understanding, there are characteristics of a main group of people who originated from the Malayo-Polynesian, and Austronesian family of language and cultures. We have here other theories on peopling of the Philippines. According to Dr. Bayer, the ancestor of the Filipinos came in different waves of migration as follows. First is C. Downman, a caveman type who was similar to Java man, Peking man, and other Asians Homo sapiens at 250,000 years ago. This is Tabon man o Downman. Isa rin siyang caveman tulad ni Java man at Peking man na natagpuan dito sa Pilipinas noong 1960. Second is the Aboriginal Pygmy group, the Negritos, who arrived between 25,000 and 30,000 years ago via land bridge. Negritos is isang grupo ng mga Aboriginal na nagmula sa Timog Asia at dumating sa Pilipinas at iba pang mga lugar sa rehiyon sa pagitan ng 25,000 at 30 years na ang nakalipas. Naglakbay sila sa pamamagitan ng mga land bridge na ginawa nila at mga barkong pandagat. Mayroon silang mga katangiang tulad ng munting labada at mga kulay na balat or itim na balat. Third is the seafaring tool using Indonesian group who arrived about 5,000 to 6,000 years ago and were the first immigrants to reach the Philippines by sea. Batak ang mga grupo ng mga Indonesia na nag-arrive dito sa Pilipinas sa mga 5,000 to 6,000 years na ang nakalipas. Ang kanilang pangarap ay ang kano o bangka, isang pamamalaging instrumentong ginamit nila sa kanilang paglalakbay sa dagat. Ang mga manlalayong nagmula sa dagat ay nagdala ng kulturang Iron Age at ang tunay na mga kolonisador at grupo ng kulturang dominant sa Pilipinas bago ang panahon ng mga Espanyol. Si F. Landa Jacano ay isang anthropologist ng Universidad ng Pilipinas. May tsorya ng mga tao na dating pumupunta sa Pilipinas. Wala pong paraan na makapagpapatunay kung sila ay mga Negrito ba, pero alam natin na mayroong ebidensya na ang Pilipinas na may mga tao na noong 21,000 o 22,000 years ago sa taong 1962 natagpuan ang isang kapote ng ulo at isang bahagi ng ngilo. Ang mga ito ay pinaniniwalaan bilang mga remains na tao sa Tabon Cave sa Palawan. Ang tsorya ni Jacano ay sinasabing ang mga tao ay dumating sa Pilipinas bago pa sa Malay Peninsula. Kung totoo ito, hindi ang mga unang naninirahan ng Pilipinas ay nagmula sa Malay Peninsula. Si Jacano din ay nagpapaliwanag na ang mga presente ng mga Pilipino ay produkto ng mahabang proseso ng evolution or paggalaw ng mga tao. Jacano's theory of earlier evolution and movement. The left side is ito yung bungo, yung ulo. Tabon Man Skull Cap remains. Dito sa right side, ito yung Tabon Cave in Palawan.